Welcome back. BJP MP from Mandi Kangana Ranaut has once again stirred the Kisan stir cauldron. She suggested that a Bangladesh-like situation could have erupted in India, but for the country's strong leadership. She went on to say that bodies were found hanging and rapes were taking place during the farmers' protest against the now repealed 3 farm laws, alleging the involvement of China and US in what she called a conspiracy. Wary of the fallout and having burned their fingers once before, BJP quickly denounced its Lok Sabha MP for her remarks. In a statement, party expressed disagreement with her views and made it clear that she is neither permitted nor authorized to comment on the party's policy matters. BJP has also directed Kangana to not make any statement of this kind in future. However, BJP's swift damage control to shield itself from any possible blowback in poll season has had no impact on opposition. Congress and other opposition parties went after the BJP, with leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the remarks have exposed the anti-farmer mindset of BJP.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को। अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है, तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है, उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
ये उनका निजी बयान है, निजी मत होता है। भाजपा का ये मत नहीं है। भाजपा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास में विश्वास करती है। अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वे आगे से इस प्रकार के बयान नहीं देंगी और पार्टी की जो लाइन है उससे अलग जाकर बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे।
The Haryana unit of Aam Aadmi Party will be hitting the streets in all districts of the state today to protest against Kangana's remark. Samyukt Kisan Morcha has sought an unconditional apology from the BJP MP and the Prime Minister as well, warning of a public boycott of the actor-turned-politician.
अभी जो ये कंगना रनावत ने बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और गंदा बयान किसानों के ऊपर दिया है, इसकी जितनी ज्यादा आलोचना करी जाए उतनी ही कम है। कंगना रनावत का विवादों से पुराना नाता रहा है। पहले इन्होंने एक बार यह कहा था कि ये किसान आंदोलन में जो महिलाएं आती हैं वो 100 रुपया लेके आती हैं। अब उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि किसान आंदोलन में रेप हो रहे थे, हत्याएं हो रही थी। तो ये जो विवादास्पद बयान बार बार दे रही हैं, इन बयानों पर भाजपा के शीर्ष नेतृत्व द्वारा रोक लगाए जाने की जरूरत है। लेकिन जवाब तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और माननीय गृहमंत्री जी को देना चाहिए।
We have Akanksha joining us in the broadcast with more details. Akanksha, BJP quickly distanced itself, also made it clear that Kangana Ranaut is not authorized to make any decisions or comments on policy matters and she should refrain from doing so. But the opposition and the Kisan Morcha, Samyukt Kisan Morcha, not satisfied with this, demanding an apology from not just Kangana but the Prime Minister as well.
That's right. Political war of words has erupted over Kangana Ranaut's remarks, wherein she has compared the farmer protest with the Bangladesh crisis. She has said that dead bodies were hanging and, in fact, rapes took place during the farmer protest. And this has really irked the Bharatiya Janata Party, given that there are elections in the state of Haryana just a month after. And they have cracked the whip on Kangana Ranaut, asking her firstly not instructing them, in fact, her not to pass such comments, and also saying that she's not authorized to comment on the BJP's policy. So, but as far as the opposition parties are concerned, not just the political parties, but also Samyukt Kisan Morcha, remember yesterday they wrote to Kangana Ranaut seeking unconditional apology from her and also from Prime Minister as well, seeking also going on to say that if she doesn't do so, she will be publicly boycott. And today we will witness protests by Aam Aadmi Party unit in Haryana as well, and yesterday there were protests in Madhya Pradesh as far as the comments by Kangana Ranaut are concerned. So definitely there is backlash over her comments. BJP has also cracked the whip, asking her not to pass such comments in future.
All right, Akanksha, thank you very much for getting us the details. Keep tracking all the political reactions. For now, we're slipping into a very short break.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence. To be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. Towards a future made perfect. and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.